Ready to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a thriving online business? Let's demystify Shopify in the next minute and a half and see how it can power your e-commerce empire. First, sign up for a Shopify plan, choosing one that fits your budget and business needs. Next, enter the Shopify admin panel, your central command center, and navigate to the online store section. Browse through the themes, pick one that matches your brand, and customize it to reflect your style. Start populating your store with products, crafting compelling descriptions, setting prices, and uploading high-quality images. Integrate secure payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe to process transactions seamlessly. Configure your shipping settings, defining rates and carriers to ensure smooth delivery for your customers. Extend Shopify's functionality by exploring the App Store and installing apps for marketing, analytics, and customer service. Dive into the analytics dashboard to track sales, monitor traffic, and understand your customer behavior. Remember, excellent customer support is key to building loyalty and a thriving business. Integrate social media to promote your products and engage with your audience. Explore Shopify's built-in marketing tools for SEO, email campaigns, and discounts to drive sales. Be sure to understand the transaction fees associated with your chosen plan. And for brick-and-mortar businesses, consider Shopify POS to integrate your online and offline sales. So, dive in, experiment, and unlock the power of Shopify to create a successful online business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to learn next in the comments.